Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you a very cool card trick. It's called the Devil's Miracle and it was invented by the great magician Ed Marlo. This card trick can be performed without preparation with any deck of cards. So, first, let's shuffle the deck of cards properly. Now my spectator needs to memorize 2 random cards from the deck. This is the first card. This is the second card. Your cards are safely hidden in the deck. Now I'm going to take 5 random cards from the deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, these are the cards have been dealt. It's the 3 of diamonds, the 2 of spades, the 8 of diamonds, the queen of clubs and the jack of hearts. I don't need this deck yet. Now, I have 5 cards. Tell me, spectator, was one of those 5 cards your card? You say there was? Really? What card is that? You say it's the 3 of diamonds, great. I'll take out your 3 of diamonds and put it here for now. There's 4 cards left. Is your card here? Of course not. Now I'm gonna turn over your 3 of diamonds and put them back in the deck. It's really back. I'm going to take out your 3 of diamonds again and put it back on the table. And there are 4 cards again, see for yourself. I'm going to show you this in several ways. Now I'm going to take your 3 of diamonds and put it back in the deck of cards. Look how fast it flies. Your card is really here, dear spectator. I still have 4 cards in my hand. But somewhere in here is your second card. Hey, there it is. I'll put it with my 4 cards. The cards are really 5. Now I'm going to flip your card over and put it back where it belongs. There's your 2 of hearts. It's a real diabolical miracle. Hello again everyone and welcome to learning this cool trick. First, we take any deck of cards and shuffle it as we know how. Now my spectator needs to memorize 2 cards and I need to bring those cards to the top of the deck. You can do this with your own methods, but see how I did it. I let the spectator memorize the first card and do an in-jog. I need the in-jog to know where to shuffle the cards to. In-jogging is a beginner's technique that I teach in my beginner school. This is where I need to shuffle the cards. I'm going to move this card down and then back up again. Now I let the spectator memorize the second card. Similarly, using the in-jog, I control it to the top of the deck. Now both of the spectators' cards are now on top of the deck. Next I need to draw 5 random cards from the deck. But at the last moment, while stacking the cards, I discreetly put the last 5th card back into the deck. I draw 4 cards, but the spectator thinks there are 5. These cards I place on top of the deck. Next I count out 5 cards, including the spectator's first card. These 5 cards I turn over and place on top of the spectator's second card. The cards are arranged like this. Now I hide the spectator's first card, the Queen of Hearts, in the middle of the deck. I'll disguise this as a 5-card demonstration. I'll put this deck of cards aside for now. The cards are now arranged like this. I'm going to count these 5 cards using Elmsley Count. Next, I'm going to put 1 card under the bottom of the pile and immediately turn it over. Now I ask the viewer, was his card here? He says there is his card here and it is the Queen of Hearts. That's great. I pretend to take the Queen of Hearts out of the pile and put it on the table. Next I demonstrate that his card is not in the pile. I do it like this, look at my fingers. Again, I show 4 cards. I return the spectator's card back to the pile, but turn it over. Now I place it on the table again. And the card actually disappears from the pile. I demonstrate it again in the same way I did before. The cards in my right hand I place the bottom card, the ace. I add a 4-card demonstration using the Elmsley Count. And I end it this way. Now it's the finale. I take the Queen of Hearts from the table and drop it into the deck of cards. I again simulate the 4 cards in my hand using Elmsley Count. I pretend to look for the spectator's second card in the deck, find it, and put it in my pile. Now using the Elmsley Count I show that there are 5 cards. Watch my movements to see how to do this. Now I turn over the spectator card and reveal it. It's a real diabolical miracle.